If you ever thought, I want to make my life better, then clean your room. You might think, wait, cleaning my room? What difference does that make? Yeah. I know. I used to think the same way too. But after learning the power of cleaning through Chanoyu and incorporating it into my daily routine, I found my life becoming more positive, free, and filled with happy moments. In this video, I'll share 10 reasons why cleaning can improve your life. By the end of this video, even those who hate cleaning may think, wow, I want to start cleaning my room right now. Yeah, so let's get started. First, you feel happier. Yes, cleaning actually makes people feel happier. There's an interesting survey by a Japanese cleaning company, Duskin. Look at this table. What this table shows is that people who love or like cleaning tend to feel happier with their current life. For example, people who love cleaning feel almost 35% more happy than people who don't like cleaning. Isn't it interesting? So, why does cleaning make you feel happy? I think there are two big reasons. First, release of the happy hormones. Yeah, it's serotonin that calms our minds and makes us feel happy. It gets activated by moderate exercise and repetitive movements. That's exactly what cleaning is. Second, become more positive. Psychologist Dr. Sherry Borg Carter says, messy spaces are often linked to negative emotions like irritation or anxiety, while clean spaces are more likely to be associated with positive feelings. These positive feelings can include satisfaction, accomplishment, and a sense of peace. I used to find cleaning just annoying, but now I'm so hooked on this happy feeling. Try cleaning just 5 to 10 minutes every morning. It'll make your day much happier. Second, your income increases. Really? Yes, really. Check this out, this survey from Duskin again. From this table, you can see that people who enjoy cleaning tend to have a higher income. Wow! Not only that, another study by Lion Corporation about toilet cleanliness found that households that keep their toilets clean have an average household income 880,000 yen higher than those with less clean toilets. Isn't that interesting? So why does cleaning lead to a higher income? I think there are many reasons, but if I had to choose one, it's because you get better at developing a plan. Konosuke Matsushita, the founder of Panasonic, said, thinking about how to efficiency do something anyone can do, like cleaning, can lead to growth in your work. It's so deep, right? Although I'm still not good at planning, I want to learn little by little from cleaning every day. Third, grab the opportunity. There's a scene I love in Castle in the Sky. 도라테스 파즈 40秒で支度しな. In English, you've got 40 seconds to get ready. And guess what? Pazu actually gets ready in 40 seconds and grabs his chance to go to Laputa. Can you get everything you need ready in just 40 seconds? Me? Well, maybe. I gave it a shot, so please check this out. Okay, let's challenge. Ready? Go! Right. Yeah, oh my gosh. Getting ready in 40 seconds is pretty amazing. I mean, if you don't know where everything is, you get lost. And boom, time's up. From this experience, I learned one thing. Pazu's house must be super organized or super minimal, and he definitely know where everything is. What I actually learned from this scene is being organized, being able to get ready fast, grabbing opportunities. You never know when opportunities will fall upon you. It might be something dramatic like Pazoos. So let's aim to be ready in 40 seconds. Whew. Fourth, more free time. When your room is always organized, you end up with more free time because you won't be searching for stuff anymore. So here's a question for you. How much extra time do you think you gain by not having to look for things? Best-selling author Liz Davenport says that the average business person wasted about 150 hours a year searching for things. That's like 36 minutes a day. 36 minutes! If you think about a 40-year working life, that adds up to 250 days. Wow! What could you do with 250 days? You could travel, learn a new language, create a new business, or drink a tons of matcha. My mom always used to say, spending time looking for things is the biggest waste of life. As a kid, I thought, what is she talking about? But sorry, mom, you're right. Fifth, cleans your mind. Are you feeling stressed right now? If so, it's time to clean. Cleaning is one of the best ways to let go of stress. According to a survey by OfferUp, which involved 2,000 people, 61% said they felt stress relief after cleaning. At the same time, 54% reported feeling a sense of relaxation. I think this happens because cleaning helps you focus on the now. Just like in a tea ceremony, the cleaning is simple and slow. This slow-paced movement is the key to staying present. It's almost like doing a moving meditation. When you focus on the now, you can let go of worries and attachment, which reduces stress. Sixth, become healthier. Back in college, there were times when I just couldn't stop coughing when I was in my apartment. I felt sluggish and wondered what was going on. And then I discovered a ton of mold hiding at the back of my trash can. It seemed that mold was releasing some bad stuff into the air. I immediately cleaned up not only that place, but my whole room and aired it out. After that, I felt so much better, no coughing, so refreshed. Then I realized if I want to stay healthy, cleaning is super important. Super. Data from Daskin also showed that people who like cleaning tend to feel healthier. So if you want to live a healthy life, it all starts with cleaning. 7. Save money. It's simple because it cut down on unnecessary spending. When you clean your room, you tend to go out less. Because when you clean your room becomes the coziest place. As a result, you end up with fewer opportunities to hang out or work at cafes, which saves you money. Another reason is that you develop a do-it-yourself mentality. Cleaning is all about tidying up your surroundings, right? When you keep that up, you start to pick up that DIY spirit. In my case, I found myself doing things like shoe maintenance, kintsugi, and sewing on my own without even realizing it. That's definitely a way to save money too. So, to sum it up, cleaning reduces unnecessary spending, which means you end up saving more money. Woo! 8th, boost your focus. When you clean, you don't have disturbing stuff in your sight. For example, take a look at these two desks. Which one do you think would help you focus better? It's probably the second one, right? The first one is my desk before I became a minimalist. Okay, honestly, I couldn't focus at all because there were many stuff around me. I'd sit down to study, but somehow I'd end up starting a big cleaning session or reading manga instead. I was like that. But now, with no distractions around, I can really focus on my work. So if you want to boost your concentration, the first step is cleaning. 9th, noticing the little things. Cleaning helps you notice small changes. For example, when you clean, you might spot dirt on the window or scratches on the floor that you usually wouldn't see. Once you start noticing these small details, you'll also begin to notice small changes in everyday life, like a friend's new hairstyle, flowers growing along your usual path, or the way the sky changes color. When you can catch these tiny changes, life gets 100 times interesting because you'll find more moments of happiness. 10th, attracting good luck. Like I said earlier, cleaning makes you feel positive and happy. And I think that's the key to attracting good luck. Question, who would you rather be around? A person who looks unhappy or someone who looks happy and full of life? I'm guessing you'd choose the happy one, right? So that means when you're feeling good and seem happy, people naturally want to be around you. The word luck in Japanese is written as which also means to carry. So luck is something that's carried to you through encounters with people. If people gather around you, you might get amazing information, new opportunities, or even invites for new adventures, like Pazoo. And when you seize these chances, you'll end up in the future beyond what you imagined. That's what we call being lucky. Lastly, I've got a question for you all. Do you feel like cleaning now? Cleaning is such a small thing, but it's a habit that truly makes your life better. If you agree with that, let's clean together. Alright, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.